All right, news coming in right now. This, remember, is with regard to after how JP Nadda, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has charged at Rahul Gandhi over the remarks. Says, why carry the constitution book if you're fighting India? Rahul Gandhi had said that we are not just fighting BJP RSS anymore, we are fighting the Indian state itself. And that has led to an immediate ire from, remember, the senior most leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, even sitting ministers right now. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has said, why are you then going around carrying the constitution if you're fighting India? So we listen in now to what the Finance Minister has said, but also important how this clearly is going to become the big discourse now ahead of elections. Aishwarya Paliwal joins me on this, Aishwarya. So JP Nadda has responded, Nirmala Sitharaman as well. BJP's top leadership definitely coming out on this.
But we are seeing the finance minister very clearly asking Rahul Gandhi, why are you holding the constitution when you are saying that you as a party, the Congress party, is not just fighting against the RSS and the BJP, but you are also fighting against the entire system itself. So then what is the point that you have taken oath on the constitution of our you have taken oath as the LOP, you are the leader of the opposition, but when you do not believe in the entire system, then what's the point of keeping a copy of the constitution in your pocket, going wherever you are going? What's the point of doing certain rallies with this constitution book? So that's a big question that now the finance minister is also asking, and we are seeing, Pooja, how the top leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, starting with the BJP president JP Nadda, now questioning why Rahul Gandhi has made such remarks.
It's not just Nirmala Sitharaman anymore or JP Nadda, the party chief, who's also Rajya Sabha member of parliament. More and more leaders, ministers coming in now. Hardeep Singh Puri has also responded to this. Let's listen in to what BJP leaders and ministers are saying.
राहुल गांधी भी निशाना साधते हैं आरएसएस चीफ मोहन भागवत पर ट्रीजन बोलते हैं।
उनको राहुल गांधी जी को तो शर्म आनी चाहिए। किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं?
तो ये थे,
कड़ी निंदा करता हूं।